The memento pattern captures a snapshot of an object's internal state, then restores it later without exposing how that state is stored. Perfect for undo in a text editor. Picture a text editor with a private content string that grows as we type. We want an undo feature that returns the editor to an earlier moment. But each time content changes, the old version is lost. How do we remember every past state and restore one of them? To enable undo, we make the content field public so a separate history class can read it, copy it, and write it back. But see the problem. Encapsulation is broken. Anyone can corrupt the state, and rollback logic lives outside the editor that should own its own data. Here's the Memento solution. The Originator, our text editor, keeps content private. It offers save, which returns an EditorMemento, and restore, which reads one back. The Memento holds that state as an opaque snapshot, readable only by the editor. Here's the third role, the Caretaker, our history. It stores mementos in a stack without ever peeking inside. History.push saves a snapshot from editor.save. Then editor.restore with history.pop returns the editor to its previous state. Let's look at the structure. TextEditor acts as the originator, holding private content with save and restore. It creates an EditorMemento, the memento, which guards the state and exposes only a narrow getState. History serves as the caretaker, stacking each memento so the originator can read it back when needed. Look at two approaches. The first mutates the editor's content directly from outside, dangerous and fragile. The second types text, then saves a snapshot with history.push editor, save after each change. On undo, we call editor.restore history.pop, and the content snaps back to the prior snapshot. That's the memento pattern, state restored safely, without touching the editor's internals. The memento pattern stores a snapshot of internal state behind an opaque object, so it can be restored without leaking fields. Undo stays clean, ownership stays with the originator. Originator, memento, caretaker.